Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Google Pixel 8. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now you can click here on the three dots icon, then go to settings, and now click on the search engine option. And now in recently visited you should have yep.com, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.